Hey there, it's David Chinelli here, Realtor with Royal LePage Signature. Today's home tip is to check your downspouts for any leaks or cracks, especially now as the weather transitions from winter, colder months in which things like metals and plastic contract, and now that it warms up, they expand. You might see some cracks or some of the downspouts get ruined by the snow because of the weight, and you don't want that to happen for your home. The reason why is that those downspouts are designed to gather the water from your roof and expel it at least 6 feet away from the home so it doesn't affect your home's foundation. If you have a faulty downspout or eaves troughs and water is constantly penetrating close to your home, eventually it's going to lead to a leak in your basement and it's going to cost you a lot of money in the long run. So do yourself a favor when it warms up, or even if it's raining outside. I know it kind of sucks, but take a look, walk around your home and see if you see any leaks or spots where the water is not getting expelled from home and it's getting close to your, right beside the foundation, and that's where you need to fix it. So take a look, walk around the home and see if your downspouts need some fixing today.